Hello dear car lovers, welcome back to Cars Indian Review channel. And if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. In today's video, we are going to have a look at Honda Amaze S petrol manual variant. This is the side profile of the same. If we talk about the engine type, it comes with 1.2 liter SOHC-I VTEC engine. While if we talk about the engine displacement, it comes with 1199cc with 4 cylinders. And the maximum power of this vehicle is 90 PS at 6000 RPM. While the maximum torque of this vehicle is 110 Newton meter at 4800 RPM. And this comes with 5-speed manual transmission. And this comes with an electric power assisted steering. And let's talk about the dimensions now. It comes with a length of 3995 mm and width of 1695 mm and height of 1501 mm. The fuel type is petrol and the wheelbase of this vehicle is 2470 mm. While the seating capacity is 5 and the minimum ground clearance is 165 mm. The boot space of this vehicle is 420 liters and this comes with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. The fuel tank capacity of this vehicle is 35 liters. While if we talk about the tire size, it comes with 175 by 65 R14 tubeless radial ply tires and with steel wheels. And the mileage of this vehicle is 18.6 kilometers per liter. Let's have a look at various types of colors that we are getting with this vehicle. We have radiant red, platinum white pearl, modern steel metallic, golden brown metallic, Luna silver metallic. It's time to look at the features that we are getting with this vehicle. Let's look at the exteriors now. In terms of exteriors, this is what you get. Sleek stylish headlamps, premium rear combination lamps, integrated LED turn indicators on door mirrors, solid wing face chrome grille, full R14 trim wheel, shark fin roof antenna, body colored front and rear bumper, body colored outdoor handle, body colored door mirrors, black sash tape on B pillar, side step garnish. Now let's move on to the interiors. In terms of interiors, you get advanced multi-information combination meter, MID screen size 3.8 cm into 3.2 cm, average fuel consumption display, cruising range display, tachometer, dual trip meter, meter illumination control, piano black meter ring garnish, piano black ornamentation on dashboard, piano black door ornamentation, silver inside door handle, silver finish AC outlet, steering wheel piano black garnish, door lining with fabric pad, dual tone instrument panel, black and beige, dual tone door panel, black and beige, premium beige seat fabric. Let's see what are you getting in terms of infotainment. You get integrated 2 DIN LCD screen audio with aux in port, Bluetooth for hands-free telephone and audio streaming support, 1 USB in port, AM FM radio, MP3 and iPod connectivity, steering mounted hands-free telephony controls, steering mounted audio controls, 4 door speakers. Let's move on to comfort and convenience. You get manual air conditioner with heater, central locking and keyless entry, driver side power door lock master switch, speed sensing auto door lock, power window in the front and rear, driver side window one touch down, power adjustable ORVM, power folding ORVM, front and rear accessory sockets, power steering, tilt steering, height adjustable driver seat, AS seat back pocket, 1 liter bottle holder on all doors, front cup holder, adjustable front seat headrest, fixed pillow rear headrest, rear center foldable armrest with cup holder, interior light, trunk light for cargo area illumination, assistance side vanity mirror, card or ticket holder in glove box, 4 grab rails. And here are the safety features that we are getting with this vehicle. You have advanced compatibility engineering body structure, driver seat SRS airbag system, passenger seat SRS airbag system, driver and co-driver seat pre-tensioner with load limiter, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, anti-lock braking system with EBD, engine immobilizer, day or night rear view mirror, rear parking sensor, impact sensing door unlock, driver and front passenger seat belt reminder, high speed alert, key off reminder, door hazard warning lamp, dual horn type. This vehicle scored 4 of 5 stars in Global NCAP crash test rating, making it the safest car to drive in India. And I know you should be waiting for the ex-showroom price of this vehicle. The ex-showroom price of this vehicle is 6,88,000 for the solid color variant and 6,92,000 for metallic color variant. And the on-road price of this vehicle is 8,03,714 rupees in Hyderabad for the solid color variant and 8,08,280 rupees in Hyderabad for metallic color variant. And here comes the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment the video. This is your Sai signing off for the day, and I'll catch you in the next video.